In the mid-1990s, Nissan introduced the Presage minivan to the domestic market. It, along with the simplicity of design, was distinguished by reasonable equipment, reliability, and low price. McPherson-type front suspension in front and rear transverse beam for front-wheel drive models, well-matched spring characteristics, reliable informative brakes. High interior, large longitudinal adjustment of the first and second row of seats. Wide doors will allow the driver and XXL passengers to feel comfortable. It's hard to talk about the Presage's outstanding behavior on the road, but in normal conditions it is docile, predictable, and easy to control. All-wheel drive modifications were produced with the 2.4, later 2.5-liter gasoline engine, as well as with the 2.5-liter turbo diesel. Few of these, however, were made. On all-wheel drive rear, multi-link suspension, the rear wheels are connected through an external coupling. Behind the discreet appearance of the Nissan Presage is a very roomy and comfortable interior. The main feature is the huge possibilities of transformations. A 7-8-seater minibus with a relatively modest trunk can even be turned into a roomy 2-seater van. In a static state, the salon can easily be converted into a bedroom or a cozy office for negotiations or a friendly dinner. In the basic configuration, a set is quite common for a Japanese, right-handed car: hydromechanical, automatic, ABS, 2 airbags, power accessories, air conditioning, parking sensors. Finishing, though solid, but not too rich. For example, the Honda Odyssey is more thoroughly equipped, it is more comfortable on the go, and it looks more solid. But she does not have such opportunities for transforming the interior. In addition, she is more expensive than the Nissan, including maintenance. Therefore, Nissan Presage finds exactly its customers, occupying a small, but its own niche in the right-handed market.